Okay guys, I am going to show you how to delete the windows.old folder that can be left over from the previous window, or if you have upgraded or reinstalled the Windows, and that usually leaves the folder called windows.old. And if you try to delete it by browsing to it, and it won't let you delete it. But first of all, let's see how big this file is, this folder is. And I'm assuming it's going to be around 10 to 13 gigabyte, which is just occupying the space. It might take a while to calculate the amount. So this is still pretty big to me, like 10, 13, and it's still big enough. So let's cancel this out. But if I try to delete it by right click and then click on delete, and it really is going to keep popping up the same screen over and over. If I hit continue, it's going to come back again with the same screen. Let's watch here. And see again, now it says try again. I will click and try again. It's going to come back again. So it's going to run me in the loop. So there's a way to delete this folder, and very easy way to do it. So let's cancel this out and close this. Let's go to the File Explorer and then go to this PC. Then right click on Windows local disk C, then click Properties. And in that window under General tab, you can see there's right here, it says Disk Cleanup. So if you click on Disk Cleanup, it will open up another window. In that window, you can see right here, it says Cleanup System Files. So let's click on that, and it will run a scan, and that will scan all the leftovers, junk files, or temporary files. So basically, it just came up right here, just hiding behind it. So once the scan is finished, it will come up with a Windows. It will come up with a window that will show you all the junk files or all the files you want to delete. So let's wait and we'll see what it has to show to us. So here's after the scan, it pulls up all these files. So you have Windows Update Cleanup, Windows Defender. So basically, particularly for the windows.old folder, to delete that folder, actually I'm going to open this folder as well so we can see it as well. Let's see right here. And if you scroll it down a little bit, and you will see there's a folder called, it's got previous Windows installation. So this is the one you need to select actually. And you can see this is like 36.8 GB, which is pretty decent size. And then if you click on OK, I'm actually going to delete these history, clean up Windows upgrade log files, Windows Defender, antivirus. So I'll click OK, and it will ask you for confirmation you want to delete this file. I will say yes. And you can see right here, this will be gone pretty soon once it's done. This windows.old folder will disappear eventually. It might take a while depending on the speed of your computer, the amount of data it's deleting. It just multiple factors play a big role, how long it takes and all this stuff. So say if you clean up the previous Windows installation or temporary installation file, you will no longer be able to restore the machine back to the previous version. That's fine. I don't want to restore that anyway. Because Windows 10 has, you can't really restore, but you can reset the Windows without the installation files. If something goes wrong, Windows can't boot up, or you have another issues, there's a utility you can actually, reset the PC without having the installation media. And you still have to install all the programs, all the application all over again, but you can do this. So we really didn't need those files. And actually, meanwhile, let's go to this PC, and you can see, I mean, I don't have a whole lot space. I mean, it's almost more than half full. It's 110 GB disk size, and 41.9 is free. But after deleting all these, this should become more free space should become available. So let's go ahead again. Let's see once it's disappearing. So you can see the windows.old folder disappeared. So basically it deleted that folder. The utility is still running. You can see right here it's cleaning up the Windows update files now. Once it's done, and this basically the whole process will be done.